Right, so I wanted to show you the difference between these two different types of soil. This here is the soil that I took in from the field, which is about 5 meters from where I am at the moment. And what you can see here is the soil that's in my garden boxes. Doesn't look that flash, but I haven't done anything to it. My boxes are all raised up like this because of the climate, and I think it looks nice. Shouldn't have done that. And I just want to show you the difference, because this soil has not had any rain on it either, and it's really dark and really rich, and there's worms in here, aggregates, it's clumping together really nicely. And I just want to put this side by side like this and show you the difference. Can you see? Similar amount of rain, but one is holding the water and one is not. The dark soil is mine. It's growing things in it really beautifully. It's moist, it's sticking together just perfectly, not getting too wet, not getting too dry. And this stuff here from the field that's been chemically farmed for years and has very, very little organic matter left, it's kind of like quite close to dust. And this really doesn't work. This is why you need to build soil. This is not just a bokashi story. I built it with all sorts of, just leftover garden waste actually, and this and that. Talk more about that later. But the point is, this has a lot of organic material in it. This has nothing. And what's more, it's been sprayed with chemicals for I don't know how long. So, it's actually your choice. This soil, dark, rich, living soil, or this light, sandy stuff, which really you're going to have to fight hard with to make anything grow. And it's not that hard to do gardening if you just get the good soil. Like what I'm finding here is I'm digging up all of these artichokes. I think I have like 50 kilos of them here. I don't know when I'm going to eat more. But they look like this. And they're really big, beautiful Jerusalem artichokes that have grown themselves, survived the winter, will give me probably food until Christmas, and really nutritious. And they've grown in soil that was basically just garden waste and food waste. So this is, it's a gold mine, what we can make in our own backyards, and this is why we should start a soil revolution. Think about it.